Impact of 1,500 prisoners that are brought out in Mozambique. For context, this is the biggest prison break ever in the world that we've ever experienced. And not only that, it threatens South Africa, Zimbabwe, Zambia, and Malawi. And let me bring it out to you. We look at Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is a gun-free country where we see police, they roam around with baton sticks. They don't move around with guns. Not so many armed robberies have we seen except these ones that we know they've been committed by either people that are coming from the security service or that are coming from South Africa. Now, imagine how many hardened criminals that are coming out of Mozambique that they can come and commit crimes in Mozambique. Remember, these are people that are hardened criminals that are coming out from this prison, and they can come to Zimbabwe. Remember our porous borders, and they can still also come to South Africa. The problem that we have is you are in a country, one, that is hit with chaos. Number two, citizens are taking guns. From the security services, from the police, from the soldiers. And in them taking guns, there is no way that you are going to return these guns. And the last thing is, Mozambique has got a record of hardened criminals. You recall the story of Mate in South Africa, who had multiple counts of murders that he committed in South Africa. Of course, he died in 2016. But I want you to picture this. He is unaccounted for in Mozambique. Mozambique cannot handle him because they are trying to deal with the unrest, and they come to South Africa and they commit crime. So as much as South Africa might want to take this diplomatic approach, and Zimbabwe might want to take a diplomatic approach, and Zambia might say, it's your own baby, and Malawi might say, it's your own baby, this thing is going to come and blow in the face of SADC because they are not taking it seriously. Maybe it's high time this older gentlemen's club started to take things serious that would have happened in the region, because the consequences or the potential that these 1,500 people that are roaming in the streets of Mozambique have on the neighbors or on the neighboring countries is huge than what you expected. But tell me what you think about SADC. I personally am not happy with the way they are moving. They don't seem to see agency in the case of 1,500 prisoners that are hardened and that are in a country that is ravaged by unrest, and citizens have got access to guns. That is a ticking time bomb.